So let's say I wanted to build a door. The first thing I would start with is just, a sketch or a concept. I'll do that right now. So here I have my door, like that. And I might actually specify some particular things about it that I want to have happen, but not really specify details that I haven't really decided on or aren't important to me. In this case, I'll make sure that it has a little moose door at the bottom. Great. So now I have a sketch. That's not really enough to build this cool door. I now need to take this one level deeper and really specify what it is. That's where a blueprint comes in. The blueprint actually has all the implementation details of exactly how my door is going to be built. Well, once I have a door, that may not quite be enough. There's still going to have to be somebody who builds the house that the door goes in, and I need to make sure that we're in sync with how the height and width for that hole are going to be agreed upon. Otherwise, my door is just not going to fit in the house. That's where specifications are really helpful. So now I have some building codes that I can use to make sure my door fits the actual house I'm building. Okay, well, that's almost everything. The other thing is, I don't really want to build a door. I want to build the rest of my house. So I'm going to have somebody else build it for me. Well, that's where I can actually have a kind of a sales order that I can ship a request, and as long as they have my address, they'll know where to deliver the door when they're done, and I can go do other things. In Java, there's an equivalent for each of these items, and they actually have the same use that these items have in real life. In Java, we have the ability to have an abstract class. It allows us to take something like this door and just say, well, look, I want to implement some of those details, but the rest I don't really care about. I really just want to have the concept. We can do that in Java with abstract classes. You're already familiar with what the blueprint is. That's what a class is, right? It's not the actual object, but it's what allows us to figure out how to actually instantiate one. Building codes. This is pretty much what an interface is. It's a promise to say, look, if you build your door this high and this wide, I promise to leave a hole that's this high and this wide. And we don't need to actually communicate any more than just those things to rely on each other and create something together. Finally, we have our sales order. Well, this is what a callback is. As long as we give them our address, we know that they can go build a door for us, and when it's done, deliver it to us while we go do other things. So now with classes, abstract classes, interfaces, and callbacks, we have 4 powerful tools to make our applications even better.